Jodie, you are such a great bundle of energy. All the time you were with us, we can never forget what you were to us. We're going to remember you the way you were, and we hope you are at peace wherever you are. Goodbye.
If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same?
Jodie had this zest for life and a lot of enthusiasm. She was passionate about whatever she did. All of us really loved being around Jodie. It was fantastic to have her in India with us, though it was only for a brief while. Now, I really miss her.
Jodie was a person that I learned a lot from. She was here only for a while, but then in the brief time that she spent with us in India, we learned so much about training and a lot of new concepts that she brought to the team that at the end of it, we're absolutely better persons since we've interacted with her. I would consider myself very, very privileged to have interacted with her.
I'll find my way through night and day.
I had the privilege of working closely with Jodie last quarter. Jodie was an exemplary leader, a very good mentor, and what sets her apart from others is that she worked genuinely for the team and never had to act her role. I will really miss her, and I pray for that her soul will rest in peace and for God's comfort to her family and her loved ones.
Time can break your heart.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्यु ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्यार्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. For one who has taken birth, death is certain. For one who has died, birth is certain. Understanding should prevail in this situation instead of lamenting over inevitable. We miss you, Jodie.
Hey Jodie. So, something I remember of Jodie is that Jodie to me represents a lot of zest for life. I remember the first time she was taking a presentation for us. She was actually on crutches because she had twisted her ankle, and yet she managed to deliver like the most enthusiastic and full of fun presentation I've ever had. So, I'm gonna always remember Jodie for what she brought into our lives, which was a lot of smiles, a lot of cheer, and a lot of zest.
Jodie brought into the team a lot of energy and enthusiasm for the work we do, and that's one of the biggest things she's taught us. Do your work and completely enjoy what you do. She used to enter every meeting with something to contribute, and she would turn a meeting in which we'd be touching our heads going, what are we going to do, into a yeah, let's get it done meeting. And that's what we're going to really miss about Jodie.
And carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong.
Hey Jodie, it's been a pleasure and fun working with you. As you said, 3 things that people remember from any session: the clothes the trainer wears, the food they eat, and the top 3 learning objectives. Well, I remember all your funky necklaces and wonderful outfits. I do remember the odd glass of Coke that I had in all your meetings and sessions, but I definitely remember 3 things that I've learned from you and I'll treasure throughout my life. I've learned the 5 whys, I'm also going to ask them. I've learned the WIFM, and I've learned the training has to be fun and how to make it fun. Make sure you have a lot of fun wherever you are, and you're the best, you rock.
If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you.
We're going to miss Jodie a lot. We learned so much from her in the short time that we had a chance to work with her. She had so much energy. Just watching her talk and train was literally enough to make you feel tired. She taught us a lot of things like how not to just train but to bring facilitation into our sessions. Very practical things like if you're not understanding the flow of your PPT or your presentation, how to print it out and get this flow from setting your papers in a different order. She taught us, I think forever we'll remember, start your session with learning objectives and at the end, ask everyone if they learned the learning objectives or maybe even set the learning objectives with your audience. All throughout the reorg, she stressed to us the importance of having what she called Jello meetings, where we meet up and bring all our thoughts and learnings together every day, which we are doing till this day. What else? Jodie loved traveling. She loved the outdoors. She was such a nature lover. It was obvious in all her conversations, and of course her love for India. And this was evident in the clothes she wore all the time, and jewelry. She loved Indian jewelry. Yeah, there's so much that we're going to miss Jodie for, and we're just very, very happy that we had the chance to have our lives touched by hers.